Hello, Pat. Good morning.
Good morning, my darling sister. How are you doing?
I'm fine. You have an amazing farm. How did you do it? Do you use fertilizer on this farm?
Not really. This one, I'm really trying to go organic.
Wow.
So what I do, I use my potting soil. And then when I also use my grass.
Okay, this one in the...
Yeah, the things that you see on those black.
Okay.
Those are my cut grass. So, you don't need to open it.
Okay.
So I store it here and then I leave it for a couple of weeks to ferment and then I put it on the farm.
Okay.
So I'm trying as much as I can to go organic this time around.
Yeah.
So I'm trying not to use fertilizer.
Okay.
Yeah.
So wow, this Ogo is something else,
Yes, sir. So today we are going to trim the Ogo once more.
Yeah.
Now I do cut it every week.
Okay.
Yeah, I cut it every week. So this is my weekly cut that I'm going to do. As you see, just after 1 week is all over. Yeah, it's all over and it's doing so well.
Yeah, that's amazing.
Yeah. Yeah.
So now we start the coughing.
Yeah, we start the coughing. And as you can see, look at this one. Like I said in my last video, when I cut, I give gap so that it will sprout from the other sections.
Okay.
And I have a particular reason for cutting this one. So when you look at this one, my video last year, I talked about mbaleba. So this is what we call mbaleba. And this shows me that this is the male part of Ogo.
Okay, the male.
So the one that has this mbaleba. Look at this one. This one is much more developed. This is the mbaleba.
Yeah.
So this one is the male part. And so I'm going to cut, because it won't do more than what it has just done now once it is the male part of the Ogo. So I'm going to cut most of the males and then I will also leave some of the male to get us the flower, the pollen, that is going to fertilize the female part of the Ogo.
Okay.
Yes. So, okay, let me show you the difference between these two. Look at these two. This one has shown me that it's male.
Okay.
With this. This is the mbaleba. This one, I can't say if it's male or female, but I am suspecting that it is female because it hasn't produced this. The female part of it takes a longer time to produce the female part of the mbaleba. So I'm going to leave this because I'm looking forward to getting the fruits.
Again.
So I'm going, anyone that I suspect that is male, not all of them, some of them that I suspect that is female, I'm going to let them continue to grow. Okay? So this one, I'm not going to cut it. And look at this one too.
Again,
I'm not going to cut it. But this one that's, has confirmed that it is the male, I'm going to cut it. Because once it starts getting this mbaleba, it doesn't
produce the fruit.
It doesn't produce the fruit, and it doesn't grow bigger than it is. Okay? Yeah. So that's why I will need to cut it. Not that I'm cutting just the male. I'm cutting both the male and the female so that it will start. If you can zoom a little bit, you see. So now that I see this is sprouting from here, I'm not going to cut it beyond here because I want this one to grow.
Okay.
So I will give it a space and I cut it from here.
So you can cut from the middle. I thought they have a particular spot you cut.
No. It doesn't have a particular spot. You just look at it and use your
initiative,
your agricultural this thing to decide on where to cut. Okay, it doesn't have any fast rules. It just doesn't have any fast rules. This one I am thinking is going to be the female, but I will still go ahead and cut it so that it will get more of this.
Okay.
So I'm going to cut it from here. This one also, I think this one will be the female, but I'm also going to cut it. You know, so I'm just showing you that it's not just the male that you have to cut, you know, but when you are cutting the female, you have to also make sure that you give it ample opportunity to fruit. Okay?
Okay.
Yeah. So this, you see this one, I'm going to cut it. You know why?
No.
Because it has had these damages here. So when I cut it, it gives it the opportunity for this one to grow more. Yes. Because people are asking questions.
Okay.
You see,
this one?
This one, I'm going to cut it because...
It's a male from what I'm seeing.
No, it's not yet male or female. I'm suspecting that it will be female.
Yes.
But if you look at this tip, you see that it looks like it's beginning to have a stunted growth.
Okay.
So to enable it grow better than that,
you cut it.
I cut it.
Okay.
Yes. This one, the same thing. If you look at the tip, you see that, you know, the growth is being stunted now.
Yeah. And the colors, their color is not the same. This
one
looks greenish, more greenish.
Everyone doesn't
have the same color.
have the same color. And you remember back home, even back home, there are times that you know buy ogo. I say na ogo awugoji nanka na achato ocha. So that's the species.
Okay.
Yeah.
I thought maybe it's maybe if you had the land or something. Okay, just the species.
Yeah, I think it's the species. You know, sometimes I mean when it's not very deep green, it could be from the soil. You know, but this one they are on the same soil. You know, so you wouldn't say that one is better, has better nutrition than the other one. So these ones, you see these ones? I'm going to leave these ones. I think these ones are the female, sorry.
Yes.
The female part of Ogo. So I'm going to, I don't know what happened to this.
You know, back home there's something they say about the stem, you know, they say this one has a big, you know,
yeah. So the ones that has bigger stem, they are the ones that are most likely the female
to have a, you know, come out with
you see okay, look at this one. This one is the male.
Very
tiny. See how tiny it is? Yes. So the male tends to be tinier than the female. So the female, I mean, it has to be big for it to be able to carry the big pot, right? Yes. Yeah. So this section is mixed with my tomato, which germinated on its own and which turned out to be very good.
Tomato, this one is very good. They call it tomato juice. It looks like the ones that are from Jos, you know, no water inside.
Well, this is American
American tomato, but it's the species of
Yeah.
tomato juice.
This is American tomato.
The
I
Rica.
mean, yeah, it
The
doesn't.
Rica, it doesn't
has
have water,
very,
no water, yeah.
Yeah, it has very small amount of
Water.
fluid.
The Rica.
Yeah. Well, I'm at the same time trimming my tomato. You see.
Oh, you still trim tomatoes too?
Well, yeah, I don't let the leaves grow too much.
Okay.
Yeah, I trim off the leaves if I think the leaves are being a hindrance to its growth and so on. So
yeah, big farmer, but big farmer.
It's a hobby. It's a hobby. I like farming. I like watching them grow. You know, that's what gives me the pleasure. You know, watching them grow. So this one also, I'm going to cut them. I'm going to trim this one off. Yeah. Yeah. Thank you. Now, I was talking about the color before. If you look at this color shade, it looks a little bit different from those ones.
Yeah.
Those ones are deep green.
Yeah.
And this one is lighter.
Lighter, yes.
Yeah, it's lighter in color.
Yeah. You even have cocoyam.
Oh yeah, I do have cocoyam, and that cocoyam has a funny history. So I bought the cocoyam for my soup, and one of it, got rotten. So I just threw it into one of my containers, and it germinated and was doing so well. I put it on the farm. Now it's taking over this part of the farm. But that's okay. Yeah, I didn't know it's going to do well. Yeah, but it's doing
very well.
It's doing very well. Yeah.
Even this one is the pumpkin.
Yeah, this is Ubogo. Yeah, this is Ubogo. I think you will see it better this way. This is Ubogo. Okay. I think maybe I will trim the Ubogo. I will cut the Ubogo today. What do you think?
Oh, do you want to cook with it?
Today?
No, just leave it now. The day you want to.
No, I don't want to cook Ubogo soup today.
In our place, we use it to cook yam too.
Yeah, you can use cocoyam, not cocoyam, the
ordinary
Ubogoro.
Yeah, cook yam.
To do, and this one that I just got is, yeah. Okay, so I think we can go to
the other side, yeah.
The other side. And another thing that I do is that I don't like this climbing up so high. So I try to redirect it, because when the winter comes, I want to have a good space.
Okay, so this
cover.
Is redirection now.
Yeah, so I usually want to redirect it. Because when the winter comes and I want to cover it, if it grows all over here, I will not be able to do that. Then that time I will have to kill some of it.
So why do you cover it in winter?
Because of the cold.
Oh.
It won't survive the cold weather.
Wow.
Yeah, it won't survive the cold weather.
But in Africa, it survives the rainy season.
Africa, our
Okay, our cold is not as intense as
we
this
don't have
cold.
we don't have winter. In
We
Africa.
have only rainy season.
We have rainy season, and then we have harmattan. You know, which doesn't really kill the plants. You know, but when I talk about winter, I'm talking about
Real winter.
Frozen winter. Frozen weather.
Weather. Okay.
Yeah, so going through the
inner part
of the.
Now we're going into the inner part of the farm.
Yeah, we did the outer part of it. You see, these ones, I'm going to leave this Mboleba to develop.
Yes, yeah.
Because they are close to this one that I'm suspecting that is the male,
yeah.
the female. This one that I'm suspecting that is the female. So I'm going to. You can bring that container closer so that you don't have to go back up.
Oh.
Yeah, I'm going to leave this one to grow. Well, this light, I usually need it during the winter, not just this time, but I kind of left it here, you know. So what I was saying before, that the male ones, the stems are kind of tiny. So this could be either male or female.
Okay.
You know, but most likely
male
because of the tiny structure of it. Look at this one. Look at this one. This one most likely
female.
Is the female one.
Yeah.
So I'm going to let it grow and see if you give me if it will give me the fruits that I've been looking for. Okay. Yeah. Yeah, sometimes you have to be careful. If you pull it too hard, then you will kill the other plants, because I call it tentacles here, it holds onto whatever it can hold, you know, to keep on climbing.
You even have water leaf, the one they call water leaf in Africa.
Oh yeah, I have water leaf.
Oh.
Yeah, I do have water leaf. Yeah, the water leaf I harvest it when I want to cook, especially vegetable soup. Yeah, then I come here and get it fresh. You know.
Oh, this is good.
Yeah.
Fresh, organic.
Yeah. Yeah, I tried to make it organic. Yeah, I hope I won't have need, you know, to use fertilizer.
No, there won't be any need, because your farm is doing well, very well, without fertilizer.
Yeah, I hope I won't have need. You hear the things that is chilling? Yeah, that's
for the birds.
That's the scare away the birds.
Scare away the birds.
They come here to eat my tomato. And once they hear the jingles, they fly away. Yeah. And then that's why I have
this red. Give me.
Oh, don't worry. Yeah, that's why I have the red cloth too, so that
they will think that is a
yeah, they will think that somebody is there, and then they won't come to destroy my tomatoes. They don't do anything to
The ugu and the just the tomatoes.
Yeah, but the tomato, yeah, they infest on it, so I don't like that. So I try to scare them away.
Scare them away.
Yeah, try to scare them away. Yeah. Yeah, you said we don't want to harvest the obogoro today.
Yeah.
That's okay by me. I really do prefer it fresh.
Fresh, yes.
Yeah. I prefer it fresh. Yeah. Yep. So this is the ede that we talked about before. And the tomato.
The tomato is doing so well, so well.
And
even the ugu too. This one is angara, you know.
No, well, this is ofe.
Ofe angara, now that's all.
Yeah, the tiny type of it that you eat the leaves. And
yeah, they
use the leaves
one
to
cook.
Yeah.
For a pregnant woman, they say it's blood tonic.
Okay. Yeah.
And this is onubu. This one is.
This is onubu.
It's just like the one I was telling you.
The
agric. The agric onubu.
No, don't you have agric onubu these days?
Because that one, is not bitter. You just cut it and peel it just like you can put it in soup.
Oh, really? I would like to have those ones. You see the obogoro started fruiting.
So that means it will
Yeah, it started fruiting. So
you can wait a that big the ball.
Oh yeah. Yeah. Yeah, so the tomato, I harvested tomato yesterday.
And this one, but tomorrow again we are going to harvest.
Yeah, tomorrow maybe later this evening, when they ripen a little bit more. Yeah.
This tomato is really, see the pepper, this bell pepper.
Oh yeah, bell pepper. And this is well, the angara you are talking about before, that's the angara, the big ones. The big ones.
This one is normally from the north. The Plateau State, they call it yellow. Yellow,
I don't know about all those. I harvested it yesterday, so we don't have. We have very limited.
This doesn't even grow in the east. I don't know. I wish I can try it.
Well, there is no harm in trial,
No, because of the nature of the weather. There's too much sun. But Plateau State is like
you know what this one is?
This one.
Curry.
This one is exceptional. Hey, this curry is something else.
Yeah. So that's it. Trimming of.
But why is it that the curry in Nigeria, the leaves are not the same? But this one looks better.
I don't know. This is I got it here from US. So I really don't. Because there has to be different species. There has to be different species.
But you are going to give me the seed of this one.
Okay.
I'll try it.
I'm waiting for. It has started producing seeds. They're still green. It's not yet ripe.
Right, but okay, when it's dried. Okay, get the soda.
Oh, okay, okay. So I thank you, my sister, for your visit and for visiting this farm.
See this one. Nchang.
Yeah, that's Nchang. Yeah, I have Nchang. Yeah, I do have Nchang.
I see I don't know everything.
Yeah, I love Nchang. Oh, yeah. I love cooking with Nchang, especially ofe
akwu.
Yes.
And stew. Even if you put on stew, use nchang to cook stew with mangala fish. Woo!
Thank you, my sister, and thank you everyone for this wonderful visit.
You're welcome.
And for your encouragement and support. Please, if you like this video, share and give me a thumbs up.
Yeah, I give you 5 stars.
This
This is a nchong. This one is the see.
Yeah, that's in Chong. That's deceased. It's now good enough for me to harvest, but I'll give it a couple of days more so that this one will get brown, and then I will cut this one off and save it for next year's planting.
Now I have this one nchong looks like the one we have in our place, but this one the curry. No, I have to keep take the curry.
This is our nchong.
This one curry.
This curry is
American curry.
from here. I'm not sure if it's.
I'll take this one.
Yeah. So thank you, my dear sister. Yeah, thank you for this visit. I love having you here. Yeah, thank you. And I said before, if you like it, subscribe, share it, and let's do some planting. God bless you.
Thank you. I guess she may share now.